Hello, I'm Tim Conley with American Financial Network. In this short video, I want to share with you the 4 steps to closing your mortgage financing. I believe it's important and of great value to understand exactly what must happen to have a great experience. So with that, let's get started. Step number 1, e-sign your application disclosures. Now this will be an email message sent to your email address that was done previously in your application. So pretty short, simple, easy process to do. Step 2, processing. Now, any supporting documents that you previously provided, many of which, perhaps depending on the time frame, have already expired. These are date-sensitive type documents, pay stubs, bank statements, etc. So those will be requested from you, from my processor. That processor will also collect from outside third parties, appraiser, title work, etc., all the other required pieces to make the submission to the next step, step number 3, which is submitting to the underwriter. The underwriter reviews everything and will issue a conditional loan approval. Conditional meaning that there are certain things that must be cleared prior to closing in order for the actual mortgage to get to the settlement table. Those then go back to the processor, who then collects them either from you, if there's something that's required of you, or from outside third parties. After that, they collect everything back together for step 4, and this is the one we're all waiting for. So it's called the clear to close, okay? Upon the underwriter receiving and reviewing and accepting all of those documents, they issue what's called a clear to close. That's great news. You want to hear that. Now, at that point, what happens is our closing department then works with the outside settlement company or title company, as they're often called, to balance what's called the CD. Actually, it's a closing disclosure. It's a standardized document that all lenders use. They have to balance their numbers. Hey, are my numbers right? Are your numbers matching? Once it's matched, what we then do is send out the closing documents, the documents you'll actually ink sign at settlement, and also the funds to fund the mortgage that you're getting. So here are a few closing comments that are very important. Keep in mind that there's no fewer than about 12 individuals, mostly outside third parties, they don't work for American Financial Network, that have to come together and work in a timely fashion to respond to requests for documents, etc. So there aren't any delays in your closing. As we progress through this process, it's absolutely must do not alter your employment, your credit, your asset accounts. So for example, no new credit inquiries, no new purchases, no new accounts open, employment changes, etc. Pretty self-explanatory, but I gotta say that. So there you are, having a little behind the scenes look at what actually takes to do a mortgage closing. So I hope you found some benefit in this, and I look forward to serving you and helping you achieve your mortgage financing goals. Take care.